You know that feeling? You wake up, check your to-do list, and there it is. The one thing you've been avoiding. Maybe it's studying for that exam, making that uncomfortable call, or hitting the gym after a long day. And instantly, your brain whispers, maybe later, maybe tomorrow. I'll just do something easier first. Here's the thing. Waiting until you feel ready is a trap. That feeling might never come. The longer you wait, the heavier it gets, like carrying a backpack full of bricks you could have dropped hours ago. Number 1, understand your brain's resistance. Your brain isn't lazy, it's protective. It's wired for comfort. It seeks pleasure, avoids pain, and saves energy. So when you face something hard, your brain fires the alarm. Danger, discomfort ahead. That's why starting feels impossible. Think of it like jumping into a cold pool. You dip your toes in, telling yourself, nope, too cold. But once you dive in, your body adapts. The same happens with hard tasks. The hardest part is always the start. Once you take action, resistance melts away. Number 2, the 2-minute rule. This rule works like magic. Tell yourself, I'll just do it for 2 minutes. That's it. Write 1 sentence, do 1 push-up, read 1 paragraph, because momentum is everything. Once you start, your brain switches from resistance mode to progress mode. You often end up going far beyond those 2 minutes. It's not motivation you need, it's motion. Number 3, make it non-negotiable. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't ask, do I feel like brushing today? You just do it. You've made it non-negotiable. Treat your hard habits the same way. Don't wait to feel ready. Tell yourself, this is what I do. That's how identity is built. Not by what you say, but by what you consistently do. The people who get results don't debate discipline. They live it. Number 4, remove the choice. Willpower is unreliable. If you have to decide every time, your brain will eventually say, not today. So make it automatic. If you want to work out, set out your gym clothes the night before. If you need to study, put your books on the desk before bed. If you need to make a call, set an alarm labeled with the person's name. Don't rely on motivation. Design your environment so action becomes the default. Number 5, the 5-second rule. Still hesitating? Count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. That's it. It cuts off overthinking before your brain has time to talk you out of it. Every time you count down, you teach your mind something powerful. I move before my brain says no. Number 6, reward yourself, but only after. Your brain loves rewards, so use them. Promise yourself, when I finish this, I'll get X. It could be a coffee, a walk, or a short scroll, but never before starting. If you reward yourself before doing the hard thing, you're teaching your brain that avoidance equals pleasure. Flip it. Action first, reward second. That's how you train your dopamine system to crave progress instead of procrastination. Number 7, embrace the discomfort. Most people run from discomfort, but that's where growth lives. If it feels hard, it means you're stretching. That's how strength is built, physically, mentally, emotionally. So next time you catch yourself saying, this sucks, replace it with, this is making me stronger. Because it is. Here's what separates the average from the exceptional. Champions don't wait to feel motivated. They act, then motivation follows. The rest keep waiting for a perfect moment that never comes. So the next time you feel that resistance, remember this. Start for 2 minutes. Remove the choice. Count down. Reward yourself after. And lean into the discomfort.